9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Carter's Grove, Oregon, 8 miles north of Crawfordville, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crawfordville, Sharon, Lineville, Alexander Stevens Park, Sandy Cross, and Carter's Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NW